Frozen shoulders have become much more common than before. General arm mobility has gotten affected due to restricted movement of the arms. Hi guys, so today in Yoga for the Soul, we will be talking about yoga poses to help improve mobility across the arms. Coming on to the first pose, Gomukasana arms, also known as cow face pose. Stretch your right arm out to the side and place it by your hip. Raise your left arm to the sky, then bend the elbow so your elbow is pointed towards the ceiling and you are patting yourself on the back by your shoulder blades. Now, bend your right elbow and tuck your forearm behind your back. The back of your right hand should be resting against your lower back. You want to gently work your two palms, linking them together. Try to keep your hands moving together towards the space between your shoulder blades. Do not force this movement. Hold for 30 seconds and change sides. Repeat this 3 times. The next pose is shoulder stretch. To do the shoulder stretch, interlace your fingers, elbows relaxed, arms close to the body. Inhale, stretch your arms up, palms facing the ceiling, and exhale, bring it back to the chest. Repeat this 10 times. The last pose is Garudasana or eagle arms. To do Garudasana, all you need to do is as you inhale, stretch your arms out to your sides. As you exhale, bring them in front of you, swinging your right arm under your left and grabbing your shoulders with opposite hands. Imagine you're giving yourself a hug. If you have more flexibility in your shoulders, you can release your grip and continue wrapping your forearms around each other. If your palms can touch, let your right fingers press in your left palm. If they can't, press the backs of your hands together. Inhaling, lift your elbows a few inches higher. Exhaling, relaxing your shoulders, taking it away from the ears. Repeat this 3 times. When ready, switch sides so that your left arm is the bottom arm. Please note, if you're new to stretching, start by doing this routine a few times a week to ease into it. Do let us know if you face arm problems frequently. Do share your thoughts on this and keep watching this space for more such content.